Good morning to all of you. Yes, very good morning. Yes, Om. Yes. Tomorrow is the Holy Guru Purnima. Yes, the holy festival will be held tomorrow, and at the end of discussion of the Upanishad, you people, some special, you people, especially Michael, has come today, and some of my neighbors, yes, Shauji, yes, and Pandeji. Okay, you have asked me what is Guru Purnima and ancillary questions. Tomorrow is the Holy Guru, the festival will be held tomorrow, but the status of full moon, yes, tomorrow is Saturday, the 24th July 2021, and today is 23rd. Yes. The status of full moon will start from 8 hours 9 minutes, from 8 hours 9 minutes to the next morning 6 hours till 6 hours 36 minutes. Yes. The celestial calculation will tell that it is Uttarashara Nakshatra, and some people who starts Chaturmasya Brata, it will start from tomorrow. Okay. What is Guru Purnima? It is actually Sri Sri Vyas Puja, the worship of Vyas Maharshi and respective preceptors, respective alive preceptors and departed soul of the preceptors. Yes. The Guru Pranam hymn is Om Akhanda Mandala Akarang Vyaptam Yena Characharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha Pratah Shirasi Suklabdya Dinetrang Dibhujam Gurum Bharabhayam Santam Sarit Tannama Purvakam Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Gurudeva Maheshwara Gurudeva Param Brahma Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Om. In almost every Hindu family, Buddhist family and Sikh family, this worship of respective preceptors are held, and it is the culture, traditional culture of these sects. So tomorrow from 8 hours 9 minutes it will start and will stay till next morning 6 hours 36 minutes. Yes. And you all know that only this branch of spiritualism, that the people receives initiation from respective preceptors and develop themselves to promote to godhood. Yes. After the human birth, we people are proceeding through development from time immemorial. All you have learned from our that evolution, that theory of evolution by Charles Darwin. Yes. All you have, and in this evolution from aquatic to amphibian and finally to the, yes, walker on 2 feet, yes, from ape, from monkey, gorilla, etc. However, now we are all human beings, and next, what is our next promotion? That next promotion shall be godhood. And without perseverance, without labor, how can one promote himself or herself to that state of godhood? That is the teaching of our preceptors. And you, vous, monsieur, speak aloud. I am a bit deaf nowadays. Yes. 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 Yes, I shall tell it, I shall tell it, yes. Yes. Okay, I am telling. We are born, and after completion of our journey, we shall die. Die means we shall leave this mortal body. No, on leaving mortal body, we shall exist, and that is our problem. Soul, yes, you know it. You know it is soul. We are not body. We die in body, but not in spirit. Remember. We leave our body. Yes, you have read the Bhagavad Gita, I think. You have not read. How could you know? You have heard it. From whom? Many of your friends. Those friends are lucky and very good people. Yes. Hear them. Vasansi jirnani jatha vihaya navani grinnati naro porani. Next. Tatha sharirani vihaya jirna nannani sanjati navani dehi. Very good. Which sect do you belong? Roman Catholic. Yes, they believe in the existence of soul. They are not atheist. Okay. So, now we die in body, not in spirit. Body goes away. Sometime it is being graved. Someone burns it. Where? Yeah, burns it on the funeral pyre. हाँ, आप लोग तो चीता बोलते हैं ना, वो बंगाली लोग सब भी चीता बोलते हैं. So it is called funeral pyre in English. Michael, isn't it? Yes. The Christians go to the graveyard. Yes. The Muslims go to the Qabristan. Yes. Okay. There we leave our mortal body. Rather, we dispose our mortal bodies. Because, yes, Muslims await till their judgment day, but we people, we don't suffer our own deeds. Yes. And according to our knowledge, according to our sense, we used to leave our body and go to the respective aspired world. Yes. And this initiation we receive from our respective Sadgurus, preceptors, that the science of mortality, the science of death, as the acceptance of body is a very difficult exercise, so also the leaving of the body is also a very, very difficult exercise. And on leaving this mortal body, our spirit should choose its chosen status. And if you read Chandogya Upanishad, you will get all this information. Whatever maybe, we have already completed a session of Upanishad, and now in brief I shall discuss that utility of initiation is a must for those who are interested about our life beyond death. Yes, since it does not end with the death of our human body, since it exists even after death, then what is the matter with it? To know all this, we receive some education, we receive some learning from our preceptors, those people who can impart such celestial knowledge, such yogic knowledge, may it be of different form, in different ways, in different branches, but who deals with the science of spirit and development of spirit, soul, whatever you call, them we call our preceptors or Sadguru. Yes, they are teachers, but they are something more, because teachers deal with the education which is mere communication of fact, transformation of fact, transmigration of fact. Yes, that is fact, that is nothing new. 2 + 2 = 4, or the discovery of gravitation by Sir Isaac Newton. He was a great scientist. But if even he does not discover, the coconut will fall on the ground. If we don't know the theory of gravitation, the coconut or apple will fall from tree to the ground. If we throw a stone, it will come back to the ground, and that the gravitation exists. The discovery is that this theory is imparted to us, and we receive this learning. So also analysis of water, so also the spacecraft, so whatever is existing in material world, and we receive knowledge from it, that is the communication of fact by our teacher. But what we get imparted from our preceptors, that is also fact, but that is rather higher, that is something more, since it has no material visible existence. It is visible, but not to all. Only those preceptors who can see and can show us. Yes. That experimental verification is dealt with only by the preceptors, whom we call Sadguru, and the pioneer, as one of them is Vyas Maharshi, whose date of birth is this, and we observe on this day. Universally it is called Guru Purnima, and the Sikhs worship Guru Nanak, and Buddhist worship Bhagavan Buddha, Tathagata, God Buddha, Lord Buddha, and we people used to worship our respective preceptors, because he initiates us, and at the moment of initiation, he shows our real beauty, real existence, real status, which is not this mortal body, but something more. Yes. And this is the significance of Guru Purnima. In short, okay, I think, yes, ask, tell aloud. This is a very difficult question. Whom will select as your preceptor? You see, the real preceptor is respective soul. In Veda, it is said that Atma Boi Guru Reko. Atma Boi Guru Eko. That is, only your soul is your preceptor. Human being cannot be the preceptor of other human beings. Yes, but since we don't know the existence, we are not at all aware of the existence of our soul, we seek someone's help who can show our soul, not only show, but will teach us as to how can we realize, how we can realize our soul, and not only our own soul, but the soul, also the soul of others. Yes, because human body is the only eligible body to exercise with proper perseverance about study and experiment, yes, practical experiment of this soul. Gradually we know that we are God, we ourselves are God, and we can do everything. We are not mere flesh and blood, but we are something more. We are the superpowers. However, that's a long way to go. First, get initiated. Yes, selection of preceptor. You see, a boy cannot select his own, since a boy cannot select his own teacher. Who select his or her teacher? The teacher of a child. His or her parent selects. So, you have got your parents. They have got their own preceptors. Don't they have? That you don't know. Ask them. They will select preceptors for you because they are more experienced. Yes, they are in this world from much and much before you. Yes, they are aged. हाँ, वो बुजुर्ग है. हाँ, they will select your preceptors. Perfectly speaking, their preceptor shall be your preceptor. If, yes, their preceptors are too old or no more, then they will also select that who may be your preceptor. You can't select because you are not at all aware of this world. Yes, you are not aware of that affairs. Your parent yes, in absence of parents, there are some superiors, some mentors who can discuss with you, who can make you understand the first understand the utility of getting initiated. Don't do anything whimsically. No, it is not at all a matter of whims. Yes. Yes. Tell. Guru Pranam mantra says that Akhanda Mandalakaram, one who can show you your soul as well as the shape and form of this Akhanda Mandalakar, the comprehensively connected form of this Parabrahma. Not yes. You read first Srimad Bhagavad Gita and tell some books and read some. Yes, it can be seen. Ascharyavat pashyati kaschideenam, ascharyavat vadati tathaiva channa, ascharyavat chayenam anna srinoti, srutva upiyenam vedana chaiva kaschid. Yes. Ascharyavat pashyati kaschid enam. Some people see the soul. Some people see the soul and get astonished, get perplexed. And some people, Ascharyavat vadati tathaiva channa, they speak about it as it's a matter of great miracle, it's a matter of great curiosity, it's a splendid matter, etc. Ascharyavat cha enam anna srinoti. And some people, they are listening to it being perplexed. But nobody can know it perfectly. Srutva opi enam vedana chaiva kaschid. Except the preceptor. He is the friend, philosopher and guide. Yes. You will know all this after your own initiation. No. After initiation, what happens? You will know after initiation. Yes. So I like to discuss the significance of this Guru Purnima. It is the birthday of Vyas Maharshi, and following that we used to observe the worship of our respective preceptors, and that's all in short. Yes. Tomorrow some Bengali followers will come, to whom I shall tell something, and if you are too eager to know, you may follow that, but that will be in Bengali. हिंदी में खैर मैं कोशिश करूँगा, मुझे तो जैसा अंग्रेजी भी आते नहीं वैसा हिंदी भी आता नहीं। खैर ठीक है, मैं कोशिश करूँगा। अब मैं नहीं बोल नहीं सकता हूँ, 2 फॉलोअर है, लेकिन वो लोग भी तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम में है ना। ओके माइकल, दैट्स ऑल फॉर द डे, सो एडियो। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ओम